Hello, travelers. I'm Wheelchair Jimmy, and I'm rolling through Phoenix today. I'm at the Aloft Phoenix Airport Hotel on Washington Boulevard. This is very near the Sky Harbor Airport. This hotel has 10 wheelchair-accessible guest rooms and 10 roll-in showers. As you come in here, it is self-park only. There were several handicap parking spaces available. You come in, there's a sidewalk. You come in through a door, frankly, a fairly heavy door to come in. You come into the lobby, it's spacious enough. There is a wheelchair-accessible restroom on the side just as you come in, with, frankly, also a very heavy door, at least to me. The hotel has just a limited service restaurant, no bar. If you go into the sitting room, there's a ramp that will take you down into both the sitting area and to an accessible pool. On the WGR Index, this hotel gets a 3. It's very wheelchair friendly. Frankly, the doors to the entrance and the restroom were awfully heavy, and frankly, the staff wasn't that friendly to me. So, roll on, America.